Hey guys, Prince here. Today I have spinners and I'm showing you them. I have now three. This one, it got LEDs and spins really good. And the next one is this. It has here metal balls and it's bronze and also spins really good. And I have this one. It's plastic and LED, but the LED is broken. But it's very good. It's spinning. And they are all good in spinning, but this one is the best. And also because it has LEDs, but this one is broken and does not work really good. And this is with no LEDs, but still good because it has metal balls and it's fast and it's so light. This one is light too, just as this one, but it has bumps here, so when I spin it just touches my hand and stuff. But this one is the best one because it has LEDs good, spins fast and good, of course. It's the least, this is the least one who makes sound, and this is the most one, and this does not make a sound. So, hope you guys like the video. Bye.